video, we will see the first question of exercise 9.1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. They have given the triangle ABC. The rope is 20 meter. It is represented as AC and the pole is AB. The question they have asked us to find the height of pole, that is AB. In our trigonometric ratios, AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the perpendicular. Sin theta gives us opposite by hypotenuse, where our opposite is AB, the pole. So let us write in triangle ABC, sin 30 is equal to AB by AC, which is 1 by 2 is equal to AB by 20, which gives us AB as 10. So the height of pole is 10 meters. Therefore AB, height of the pole is 10 meter. Thank you. Happy learning.